Alright, so if we take a look at practice now 10, okay, notice that there's a common similarity between all these parts of the question. Okay, they are all fractions, number 1. Number 2, all the powers of x are -1. Power -1. Okay, so if you can't see it, I'm going to show it to you. Notice how all the parts, all these questions are power -1. Okay, and when you do the normal integration, okay, this is how it's going to look like. The normal method we'll use power plus 1 divided by 0, and you'll realize it is undefined. Does it mean you can't integrate? It doesn't mean that. You can still integrate, but now this case will always be the ln case. So I'm going to go into the ln case. Okay? So now we come to log integration or logarithmic integration. Okay, where the power is always -1. When your power is -1, for example, in this case, 1 over ax plus b, you can change it to ax plus b power -1. You need to know it's a ln case. So your steps will go like this. Step 1, you will ln this term. Ln whatever that is in the denominator. Okay, step 2, I see this thing again. Divide by coefficient of x. Divide by a. And my last step is a plus c. Always for integration. Okay, so let's take a look at this last example. Okay. Let's look at question A. Question A, the power -1 belongs to x only. Make that correction, please. So my step is ln the term. Means I will ln my term x. Step 2, I will divide by coefficient. But the coefficient of x is 1. So I divide by 1. It's like nothing, right? So it means that it's done. All I left is plus c. Now we come to part B. Power -1 belongs to the whole of the denominator. Okay? It means that, okay, I'm going to start with ln my bracket term. Ln the terms. And then next step, I'm going to divide by coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x here? Coefficient. After I divide by coefficient of x, I will plus c. So let's bring it to the front to simplify. Okay, and I'll be done with this. Yes, this is done. Okay, see, I recognize it's a power -1 case. How I know is I bring the denominator to the top, power -1. So what power -1 means is that it's a ln case. Integrate this, I will get ln. So step 1, again, okay, I will keep 3 to the side, but step 1 is ln the term. Step 2, divide by coefficient of x. What's the coefficient of x? Divide by? Divide by 7. Okay, plus c. How can I simplify this answer? 3 over 7. Thank you. So this is the answer. Alright, you can check your answer for part D. Okay, answer is -5/9 ln 6 minus 9x plus c.